Hi guys, I'm Paul. I'm introduce the emission defeat device. For the first question, we can get a reaction. It's NO plus O2 plus CH4N2O equals N2 plus CO2 plus H2O. So for the left side, we can get 3 elements of N, 3 elements of O, 4 elements of H, and 1 element of C. For the right side, we can get 2 elements of N, 3 elements of O, 2 elements of H, and 1 element of C. So we can get a balanced reaction. It's 2NO plus 2O2 plus 2CH4N2O equals 3N2 plus 2CO2 plus 4H2O. The second question is about ratio. We can find it from the reaction. It's 2 to 2 or 1 to 1. So the third question is about a mole reaction. We can get the mole of NO first. It's 0.5 mole CH4N2O times 2NO to 2 CH4N2O. It's 0.5 mole of NO. So for N2, we can get 2 more NO equals 3 more N2. 0.5 more NO times 3 more N2 to 2 more NO is 0.75 mole N2. For CO2, we can get 2 more NO equals 2 more CO2. 0.5 mole NO2 times 2 more CO2 to 2 more NO2 is 0.5 mole CO2. For the fourth one, we can use the molar mass time with the mole get the answer. So for N2 is 28.02 grams N2 times 0.75 mole N2 is 21.015 grams of N2. For CO2 is 44.01 grams CO2 times 0.5 mole CO2 is 22.005 grams CO2. For the fifth one is about the rate percent yield. For N2 is 21.4 grams to 21.015 is 101.8. For the CO2, it's 16.6 to 22.003 is 75.4. So let's go to the second page. And from the question we can get is 110 kilograms. We can find this in the form. So the maximum allowed emission rate of NOx is 1.5 and the maximum allowed emission rate of CO2 is 2.6. So for NO, we can use 7 hours time to get the answer. For NO is 1.5 grams NOx times 7 NOx equals 10.5 grams NOx. For CO2 is 2.6 CO2 times 7 CO2. 7 hours is 80.2 grams of NOx. So for B, we can just calculate 1.5 times 40% equals 0. grams first and use it to times with 3 hours to get 4.2 grams of NO, and use this to 30.1 grams NO to get the answer is 0.14 in grams of NO. For the last question, we can find it from the image and so nitrogen oxide are dangerous gases. It's dangerous human as well as cause the air pollution. Yes, then we can get that catalytic is important because it can turn NH3 and NOx to form of N2 and H2O. This can reduce the number of NOx, and the NOx is dangerous gas. It can cause pollution. So, so the government should forbidden the device for people's health and the environment. Thank you. That's all.